I've been waiting for this week for such a long time. I need to just get away for a week, shut everything down, and just enjoy myself and my time with Yuma, and just find a place to park for a solid week and do next to nothing. Let's get going. Dump station. It's free here. They keep the fresh water away from the dump station for obvious reasons, so you don't get contamination. But yeah, we're just packing up and loading up to go camp. Finally found a spot. Yeah, just gotta grab some more groceries in town and finish dumping here, and next stop, camping. Hi, how are you? What you doing? Are you driving this time? Oh my goodness. Oh, who's a good girl? Alright, so this is Begbie Falls Conservation Area. Pretty sweet spot. $15 a night. Good space between campsites. A little shade with the trees. Mountains in the background. I like it. I'm going to stay here for 4 or 5 days. Maybe even 6. Who knows? Alright. That's better, eh, Yuma? Alright, just to give myself something else to do this morning, I moved everything from the campsite over there, right behind us, to here. It was way too sunny over there, and it's going to be in the high 20s or 30s today. So I didn't want to be in the full-blown sun. And it just gets too hot in the van, and it just stays hot. It's hard to get rid of the heat. So yeah, full shade is much better. Still a beautiful campsite. A little more private, actually, with having this hill and mountain behind us. But yeah, after I pull everything out of the van over there, my Jackery battery and the solar panels and all the wood and my carpet and everything, I'm thinking, Uma's going in the shade or trying to find shade everywhere under the picnic table, and I'm like, yeah, this is probably not a good idea. So yeah, we moved. Much smarter idea, I think. And yeah, like it. Oh man, it's beautiful here. I really love BC. Everything's, the waterfalls are just so majestic. Unbelievable. Beautiful place. There's a table out here. Oh damn, we got a beach. Let's go check it out. Slow down. Good morning. Yeah, I like it here. Pretty awesome. Yep. Good girl. You like it? Does that feel good? Oh my goodness. Who's a good girl? Alright, just got back from the morning dog walk with Uma. Went down to the falls again as usual. Great little walk. It's about 3.5 kilometers or so. It's a little intimidating with the downhill climb, a lot of switchbacks going down and stuff. It was always bothering my knee coming back up and exhausting, you know, getting old and fat and everything else. But my daughter gave me these walking poles. Just been using one because obviously I need the other arm for Uma. And yeah, they collapse, so they go down pretty small. So you can they fit pretty well anywhere. They don't take up a lot of space, obviously. But man, what a difference these things make coming back up the hills and so on. And, you know, just walking back, for instance. Just makes the walk so much easier. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below on these walking poles. But yeah, definitely a good thing to have if you do a lot of hiking. I'll be using them all the time for sure. And what else? Well, I'm just going to go over basically what I do when I'm here, camp for days at a time. You know, there's always lots to do, puttering around, chopping wood, or getting food ready, having a nap, of course. You know, there's always stuff to do. And yeah, with gas being so expensive as well, it's nice not to have to move around. You know, you can't beat it for 15 bucks a night. You can't really find anything that's good for free around Revelstoke, and I have to hang around here until next week when I go south to Idaho for my daughter's wedding. But yeah, I love it here. Can't get enough of it. Morning walks all the time, evening walks. Life is good. I like it. Check this out, even foraging for little raspberries, and there are blueberries up on the hill. I found some mushrooms too, but I don't know if they're edible or not. Tried a bite, had a bit of a crazy trip. I'll show you what I saw.